to get your toy woodpecker. Each and every one a clicking, ticking, living doll. Watch 'em go, folks. They walk, 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 and they peck, peck, peck. Isn't that the cutest thing? A barrel of fun for everyone. Get 'em while they last.
Oh, my. What cute little toys.
That's right, lady. It's yours now.
I'll just take you home to my little Reginald.
Boy, what a plush life. Money, food, social security.
Oh, my. I'll take this darling big one.
I got it made.
Yoo-hoo! Reginald! Reginald! Look what Mother brought you. Oh, boy!
Oh, no.
He walks and he pecks. We're gonna have some fun. Fire one! Ha-ha! You're sick, 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 and I'm gonna operate on you. Reginald, it's time for your lunch, darling. Bring your new toy. Yippee! Lunch! Oh boy, a big juicy ham. Yummy. Hey! Toys don't eat. Chocolate cake? Give me that. No! Oh, dear. Yeah, missed me. Where's this? Mercy me. What is going on? He did it, Mother, and he's trying to eat my food. Reginald, you are telling a fib. You know toys can't eat. You ain't no toy woodpecker.
I am too.
And toys don't eat.
We do too.
Well, I'm gonna find out. Because I'm making you a sandwich. With chili peppers, Tabasco sauce, Irene mustard, red hot pepper, white hot horseradish. And it's all for you. Eat it.
Needs a little more pepper.
Water! 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 Water!
Walk, 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 Daddy. Tick, tick, tick.
Mother!
Coming, dear.
He hit me!
That cute little toy can't hurt anybody. Now you play nice, Reginald, dear.